Hello everyone, welcome to Campkin's RV Center Tips and Tricks. My name is Seep, and today we're going to talk about bypassing your hot water heater for the purpose of winterizing. Of course, you have two systems. You have a 2-valve or a 3-valve. Let's first look at the 2-valve. Now in this particular model, you've got to find your hot water heater. It's usually behind a panel, and this particular model is a 2-valve. So right now it's at winter position. And what that means is when we pump antifreeze through the system, it's going to come in through here, go around this loop, and go back out again. Leave it in that position until the spring, and you flush out all the antifreeze. Then in the spring, you're going to turn both valves in this direction, like so. Now you're going to let the water in. The water's going to come in through here. It's going to go into here. It's going to get heated, and it's going to come out hot. Now let's have a look at a 3-valve system. Hello everyone, and we're back. We're now going to look at a 3-valve bypass system for a hot water tank. So here we are here. As I explained earlier, you block the cold water from going in, and you're blocking the hot water from coming out. The tank is empty. This is the bypass valve. When we winterize the trailer, the antifreeze gets pumped in through here, into the bypass, and back out again. Now, in the spring, after you flushed all the antifreeze out, you're going to close this one, and you're going to open these two, turn your water on, and now the water is going to go into here, into the tank. It's going to get heated and out through the hot water. And that's how you bypass a hot water system, folks. Till next time, happy trails.